Friends, hello everyone and welcome to this channel. In this video, I will show you and tell you how you can solve the problem if the image from WhatsApp app is not automatically uploaded to your iPhone gallery. Please friends, also don't forget to subscribe to our channel, put your likes, write comments at the end of the video, and let us get down to the topic with you. So, open the WhatsApp app on your device. After that, go to the settings section. Then scroll down a little bit and go to Memory and Data. Here, at the very bottom, you will see this section called Automatic Media Download. And if you have that turned off, like I do in my settings, then you'll need to go to each setting individually, like Photos, and turn on Wi-Fi photo upload and mobile data. And the same thing you'll need to do with absolutely every single setting. Once you've done all that, go back to the settings. Go to the Chats section. And here, turn on the Save to Gallery feature. So now 100% already all the media files you will have in WhatsApp will be automatically uploaded to your gallery. This is the simple way, friends. You can easily solve the problem if WhatsApp image is not uploading to your iPhone gallery. I really hope this video helped you and was helpful. Please don't forget to put likes, write comments, be sure to subscribe to our channel, and see you soon.